All right, Melissa, thank you. We're tracking some overnight breaking news from Washington, D.C. In the last hour, the White House released a new report, and it details the impact of vaccination requirements across the country.
Report comes after President Biden announced a vaccine mandate last month affecting 100 million Americans. 12 News reporter KAYLA joins us live from our breaking news center with more.
Well, Patrick and Danielle, in this just released White House report, the administration says that vaccine requirements are working and that they have the data to back that up. This comes just about a month after President Biden laid out a new plan that would mandate companies with 100 employees or more require their workers to get the shot or face weekly testing. Healthcare workers at facilities that get Medicare or Medicaid also required to be vaccinated. The result, according to this new report, is that many organizations like healthcare systems, educational institutions, as well as public and private sector businesses now have more than 90% of their staffs fully vaccinated. The White House report also says the requirements help the economy by getting millions of people back to work who would have otherwise been out sick with COVID had they not gotten the shot. Dr. Anthony Fauci spoke about the effectiveness of vaccine mandates earlier this week.
So when you do that, when you tell people that there are alternatives, that if you do not want to get vaccinated, you're not going to work or you're not going to be able to go to school, I think that the emergent nature of what we're dealing with actually does justify that.
Now, this report also notes that many more businesses will likely be implementing new vaccine requirements soon as the Department of Labor and OSHA move forward with implementing new rules in the coming weeks. The president is headed to Chicago this morning to further that message and meet with companies that have already implemented their own vaccine mandates. That's the latest live in the Breaking News Center this morning. I'm KAYLA Fish, 12 News.
Breaking overnight, a new report from the White House laying out the case for vaccine requirements.
It comes as the Biden administration continues to push more than 67 million unvaccinated Americans to get the shot. 12 News reporter KAYLA Fish been combing through this new report this morning. Joins us now live in the Breaking News Center with more.
Well, it's been just about a month since President Biden announced sweeping new vaccine mandates affecting nearly 100 million Americans. And according to a new report from the White House this morning, the push is working with more and more people signing up to get the shot. This new report shows 78% of Americans have received at least one dose of the COVID vaccine, and more than 185 million Americans are now fully vaccinated. Since the president announced vaccine mandates for employers with 100 or more workers, the report shows thousands of businesses have stepped up to require vaccinations. The report shows many organizations in both the public and private sector now have more than 90% of their staff fully vaccinated, something Dr. Anthony Fauci touched on over the weekend.
Close to 1,000 or more universities are saying that if you want to be on campus with real-time classes, you really have to get vaccinated or you can't come. And there are businesses that are doing that. I mean, airlines, look at airlines, the mandate of the airlines, where you have now 99% of certain airlines employees are vaccinated.
Now, the White House says businesses, labor unions, workers, and a majority of the public support vaccine requirements, and that more businesses may be implementing mandates soon as new OSHA rules are being worked out, and they're expected to be implemented in the coming weeks. The president is going to be in Chicago today to meet with businesses and further encourage vaccinations. Live in the Breaking News Center, I'm KAYLA Fish, 12 News.